Hello everyone, today I will be demonstrating how to effectively trade your options Iron Condor trades using this comprehensive options and stock trading journal. This journal is designed to help you keep a record of your options and stock trading activity over a 12-month period. Before we dive in, if you haven't watched my previous tutorial video on this journal, I highly recommend checking it out. You can find the link to that video in the description section below. In this video, I will guide you on how to utilize the trading journal to easily monitor your options Iron Condor trades. But first, let me provide a brief introduction to the Iron Condor strategy for those who might be unfamiliar with it. The Iron Condor is a popular option strategy ideal for sideways moving or low volatility stock. It involves both a bull-put spread and a bear-call spread. For example, consider a stock like BABA that has been consolidating. The Iron Condor strategy can be a good strategy to trade in such market condition. Now let's proceed to demonstrate how to trade BABA using the Iron Condor strategy on the Thinkorswim platform. First of all, go to Trade and select the date of expiration. Construct the bull-put spread by selling a put option at a strike price of 88 and buying a put option at a strike price of 83 for protection against rapid downward movement. Similarly, construct the bear-call spread by selling a call option at a strike price of 104 and buying another call option at a strike price of 110. The credit collected from this trade amounts to $2.09 per contract, with a maximum profit of $209 and a maximum loss of $391. Now let's focus on recording your Iron Condor trades in the journal. There are two ways to do this. You can either record each side of the Iron Condor, which is bull-put spread and bear-call spread separately, or you can record the entire Iron Condor as a single. In the Start tab, input Iron Condor under the names of strategies if you prefer the latter. Switch to the Trading Journal tab and input the trade number. Select Neutral from the drop-down list for the site. Since the Iron Condor is a directionless trade, fill in the stock ticker and choose Iron Condor from the strategy drop-down list. Input the strike price, expiration date and break-even price. Under the Open Position section, include the stock price at the entry date and time, number of contract, net entry price, and entry commission. In the Risk Management section, input the buying power, which is the amount of capital blocked by your broker for taking this trade. Enter the maximum profit of this trade and maximum loss for this trade. You can find all this information from the Order Confirmation dialog page. Before you click the send, you can find all the information such as break-even stock price, maximum profit, maximum loss, and buying power effect. Once you have closed the position, enter the stop price at the exit date and time, number of contract, net exit price, and exit commission. If you pay a debit to close the trade, remember to put a negative sign in front of the net exit price. This journal is versatile and can be used to trade other option strategies such as the wheel strategy, butterfly, long call, long put, and more. After entering the Iron Condor details, you can head over to the Strategy Dashboard tab to analyze your trade statistics, including the total profit and loss, average win and loss, largest win and loss, maximum consecutive wins and losses, win rate, and average time in trade. Simply select the strategy name from the drop-down list here. You can also go to monthly report to analyze the trade performance by month. Simply select the month from the drop-down list above. Go to ticker dashboard to evaluate performance by ticker. Simply select the name of the ticker from the drop-down list above. Go to Trading Dashboard for an overall assessment of your trading performance over a 12-month period. That's all on how to effectively trade your Iron Condor trades using this option and stock trading journal. This journal is an excellent tool not only for Iron Condor trades but for various option strategy, whether you are a beginner or seasoned trader. Be sure to check out the links in the description or comment section below to learn more about this trading journal. If you found this video helpful, please press the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to leave your valuable comments and suggestions for this trading journal in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.